I didn't want to do like a small project that will just get overlooked. I want something that like really help the community and benefit everyone in the long run.
You're gonna have to start standing on the board.
So I'm Avinash Patel. I'm a freshman at Farmon High, and I'm from Troop 1225, and I'm working on my Eagle project. Our old Scoutmaster introduced me to Mr. Hanchet and told me that he has a project idea.
One of my friends, he said, hey, I've got a young Eagle Scout potential by the name of Avinash that wants a good project. Do you have anything? And I said, well, this is a pretty big project.
So the project is a bridge that will cross a creek. It's about 25 feet and it'll allow hikers and different bikers to get across so they can get to the next part of the trail without having to go through water and lose speed on the downhill.
I'm a proud Dorba member, and Dorba is the Dallas Off-Road Mountain Bike Association, and we help maintain mountain bike trails in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. So Dorba built wooden bridges, and unfortunately wooden bridges float away.
The land is unstable as well, so
steel bridges ideally will stay where they're put.
We'll hope to build it a lot better and make sure it lasts.
The workday was incredible. So the first challenge was, how do you fabricate the bridge into pieces that people could carry a quarter mile into the woods? A lot of it's out of 1/4-inch steel.
So we're gonna go around 6 to 8 scouts per shift, and about 4 adults and about 2 Dorba members as well will help.
People were very excited to be involved in a project like this. And we had originally scheduled for about 8 hours and got it done in about 4 hours. Having the scout lead a lot of that, it was amazing to me how well it all came together. So Avinash, he grew leaps and bounds in his leadership skills and processes along the way. From the time that we met to the time that we were completed is a little over 7 months. He continually would email me, he would text me, he would call me. You know, he was on top of the project from start to finish. Man, he's a younger guy, but his ability to lead, I think he's got an upper hand already.
If I can get this done, I can spend more of my time helping younger scouts get through their projects and help the troop back.
I don't need service hours. I just wanted to help Avinash.
I was an Eagle Scout. I was in Boy Scouts. That was a great part of my childhood. And it was like every week of my life when I was a kid. I did my Eagle project, and that was kind of similar to this, I guess, just not nearly as big of a project as building a bridge.
So the bridge is awesome. I've rode over the bridge now a number of times, and I can tell you every time I ride over that bridge, I ride over it with a really big grin. We've built a number of bridges, but none of them are this cool, and none of them are built to last like this one is. The metal portion will last 50 to 100 years. The overall improvement that this bridge made really is a huge change. But it wasn't all about just building the bridge. It was another way for us to inspire our own people.
The main thoughts that go through my head would be, we have this capability to do a really meaningful project for the community. We have the CNC lasers, we have the bending machines, welding, powder coating. Not everybody can do this kind of thing.
So Republic can lead in that example and say, you know, it's not only the work that we do here, but what can we do to get involved in the community?
Somebody should do it, and why not us, right?